Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Sunday, June 11th. Time is around 12:40 GMT and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Owanda platform. So today it's Sunday, markets are closed, but during the weekend I do an analysis of the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily for investors and as a preparation for the trading week. And then on weekdays, I analyze the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, to check which trades we can take. So, but for now, we are looking at the weekly chart. So, my take on the Dow is that we did an impulse up here from the March 2020 lows. This is our wave one in a higher degree. We can distinguish here 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end this wave 5 with divergence compared to our wave 3. So for me, this was a complete impulse up, a wave 1. Then we corrected this wave 1 to the downside, or we are still correcting this wave 1. This is also a possibility. But for now, I will assume that the low was in here, that we made here our wave 2 low. Normally, a wave 2 ends between the 0.5 and 0.854 FIB retracement. So this area actually, and as you can see, the Dow missed it. We did not reach this 0.5 FIB retracement. This is possible if if an index is really bullish. Sometimes we do not retrace this 0. To the 0.5 level. But yeah, that's why we also cannot exclude that this wave 2 is actually still going on. Like it could be that like now I draw this ABC, but maybe we are still doing something like this, that this was only the wave A here, that we are now doing a B, or maybe this was our B, and that we then make another low as a wave C. If this would be the case, then our target becomes so the equal leg area of your wave A and your wave B. Then we should end somewhere here, and as you can see, this wave C area coincides with this wave 2 area, so this would actually be a nice wave 2 to the downside. Let's say a complete wave 2 to the downside that fulfill all the requirements. But now we don't have this. This is not my primary scenario. The Dow is a bullish index, so there is nothing that suggests now that we will do it like this, like this A, B, C. We are making higher highs, higher lows, so this is bullish in the higher time frame. But it is a scenario that we cannot exclude. We still have to take this into account, or at least consider it, because if I assume that the wave too low was in here, then it means that we also know already our area for the higher wave, for the higher degree wave 3. Then this will become our target. This is the equal leg area of our wave 1 and wave 2, and so normally a wave 3 reaches this 1.618 FIP extension. So this would become the target of our wave 3. But yeah, for now, this is, in my opinion, this is a pure speculation. We are not there yet. There is, yeah, we need way more price action in order to confirm this. But I just want to share this with you from an Elliott wave perspective. If this is our 1, if this is our too low, then this will become our wave 3 target. But of course, this can take years to play out. We never go up in a straight line. As you can see, we need 5 waves up to do this, and we are only at the beginning. So that being said, so in the weekly, our wave too low could be in here, and we could have started our way to a wave 3 in the higher degree, or like I said, we can still do something like this, a deeper retracement, so we will fulfill the requirement for a wave 2. So these are the possibilities in the weekly, a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. Now let's further zoom in to the daily. So this here is our wave 2 low. And so here it looks like we had a first impulse to the upside. This is obviously very impulsive. And so now it also looks like we already had our wave 2 correction in a lower degree. We fulfilled the minimum requirement. So we reached the 0.5 FIP retracement. But yeah, this is again, we will only know for sure if we take out this high here. What we could still do is something like this, like deeper retracement, like this, like A, B, C, or this would rather be WXY, WXY correction deeper into this area. But we fulfilled the requirement. That's why I draw it like this. That's why this is my primary scenario. But please take into account that this wave 2 correction does not has to be over yet. First, we have to take out this high here, and then we have certainty that the wave 2 was in. And if this wave 2 low, if this is the wave 2 low, then we already know our target for a wave 3. Then this becomes again the equal leg area from our wave 1 and our wave 2, which is this area here. This becomes the target for our wave 3. So also here on the daily, we could further move up in the direction of this wave 3, but it could be that the wave 2 is not over yet and that we have a deeper retracement into this area. And so this is actually what we will further analyze in the lower time frame, in the starting with the 4-hour. Again here from this wave 2 low, we see again a nice structure to the upside. This could be, or this will be this is an impulse up to the upside, so I count this as a wave 1. We again have a retracement as a wave 2. We fulfilled the minimum requirement. As you can see, 0.5 FIP retracement. We touched it and we had impulsive reaction to the upside. So then this becomes again our target. but this is actually yeah, this we will continue to analyze from Monday onwards. The lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, but also this yeah, looks bullish, but here again we could be that this wave 2 is not in yet. We first have to take out this high here. Could be that we still do something like this, A, B, C, and that this will here be our wave 2. This is also a possibility. Okay, so this is my analysis of the DOW, higher time frame, the weekly, the daily. I hope you enjoyed it. Monday, I continue the analysis with the lower time frame, and I look for entries for trades on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minutes. Thank you for watching, and see you on Monday. Have a nice day. Bye bye.